Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the latest in tech. Today we're talking about the much anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that is set to redefine the compact drone market. With each new release, DJI has set new standards in aerial photography, and the Mini 5 Pro is no different. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to introduce a larger image sensor, improving image quality and video performance, particularly in low light conditions. Many users found the Mini 4 Pro's smaller sensor adequate for general photography, but those who needed advanced detail and quality, especially in darker environments, found it lacking. For many drone enthusiasts, the camera system is the most critical component, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to pack significant upgrades in this department. Early leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could feature a larger CMOS sensor, potentially around 1 inch in size, similar to what we've seen in DJI's higher-end models. For many drone enthusiasts, the camera system is the most critical component, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to pack significant upgrades in this department. Early leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could feature a larger CMOS sensor, potentially around 1 inch in size, similar to what we've seen in DJI's higher-end models. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to address this problem by increasing the internal storage, a feature that could save creators time and energy during shoots. With larger storage capacities, users will be able to record more footage without worrying about running out of space. This will especially benefit those who are shooting long-form videos or involved in travel vlogging, where frequent stops to manage data can disrupt creative flow. Some leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could boast up to 40 minutes of flight time, which would be a substantial increase over its predecessor. Extended battery life means that drone pilots will have more freedom to explore larger areas without worrying about frequent recharges. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to introduce improved multi-directional obstacle sensing, allowing the drone to intelligently navigate around objects in real time. While the Mini 4 Pro was capable of shooting 4K video, rumors suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will support higher frame rates at 4K, possibly up to 120 FPS. This would make the drone an even better tool for slow-motion videography, giving creators the ability to capture stunning cinematic shots. The price is rumored to range between $800 and $1,000, depending on the features and accessories included. Keep an eye on DJI's announcements, as the official release date is expected soon, and we'll have more concrete details on pricing, availability, and specs. If you're excited about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech and drones.